The twins named Jim a set of identical twins, separated at birth and adopted by different families, were reunited at age 39 and discovered uncanny parallels in their lives. Both adoptive families unknowingly named the boys James or Jim. The similarities didn't stop there. Both Jims grew up with a dog named Toy, both married women named Linda, and both later divorced them. Both remarried women named Betty. One named his son James Allan, the other named his son James Allan. Both worked in security-related jobs, one a security guard, the other a sheriff. Have you ever wondered if our lives are just a series of random coincidences, or if there's something more at play, like destiny? Well, get ready for a story that will make you question everything you thought you knew about chance. It's the incredible tale of the Jim twins. Imagine two identical twin boys, separated at birth, adopted by different families, and growing up with absolutely no knowledge of each other's existence. For 39 years, they lived separate lives. When they finally reunited, the similarities they discovered were so bizarre, so specific, they sound like they're straight out of a Hollywood movie. First, without any communication, both adoptive families independently decided to name their new son James. Both boys went by the nickname Jim. So we have Jim Springer and Jim Lewis. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. As kids, both Jims had a dog named Toy. Think about that for a second. The odds are already astronomical. As they grew up, the parallels became even more uncanny. Both Jims got married to women named Linda. And weirder still, both of them later divorced their Lindas. But fate wasn't done with them yet. Both Jims eventually remarried, and you guessed it, both of their second wives were named Betty. It's almost unbelievable. They both had sons too. One Jim named his son James Allan, while the other named his son James Allan, spelt just one letter apart. Even their careers were weirdly in sync. Both men ended up working in security-related fields, one as a sheriff's deputy, the other as a security guard. They both enjoyed woodworking as a hobby, drove the same model of light blue Chevrolet, and even vacationed at the same beach in Florida. This true story comes from the Minnesota Twin Family Study, a famous scientific project that looked at twins raised apart to understand the influence of genetics versus environment. The case of the Jim twins is one of the most famous examples, showing just how powerfully our genes might shape not just our looks, but our choices, our preferences, and maybe even our life paths. So, was it just a 1 in a billion coincidence, or were their lives somehow written in their DNA? What do you think? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. It's a fascinating puzzle that challenges our understanding of what makes us who we are. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this mind-bending story, make sure to like and subscribe for more.